Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best instant cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. Instant cameras are an awesome way to capture memories and have physical prints in seconds. And today, we're diving into the details so you can make the right choice for your needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Polaroid Go Generation 2 Mini Instant Camera Plus Film Bundle. This compact camera comes in at $89.99 and is perfect for anyone who loves the iconic Polaroid aesthetic but wants a smaller, more portable option. The Go Generation 2 features a sleek, minimalist design that weighs just 8.5 ounces, making it easy to carry around wherever you go. It includes a reflective selfie mirror and a self-timer function, making it perfect for capturing selfies and group shots. Plus, the internal lithium-ion battery charges via USB-C, which is a convenient upgrade from AA batteries. This bundle comes with 2 packs of Polaroid Go film, giving you 16 photos to start with. The film format is exclusive to the Go camera, so you won't be able to use standard Polaroid film. While the image quality is decent for its size, it does have a smaller print area compared to traditional Polaroid photos, which may not appeal to everyone. Additionally, the camera is made with 30% recycled materials, which is a nice touch for eco-conscious buyers. The Polaroid Go is ideal for creative types and casual users who want a stylish, portable instant camera. Its pros include portability, a USB-C rechargeable battery, and a fun design, while its cons are the limited print size and exclusive film format. If you're looking for a modern take on Polaroid magic, this is a great pick. Coming in at number 3 is the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera Lilac Purple Bundle. At $164.95, this camera offers a fun and colorful design that's perfect for capturing memories with friends and family. The Mini 12 features a Fujinon 60mm f12.7 lens with auto exposure and a built-in flash, making it easy to use even for beginners. The bundle includes 40 sheets of Fujifilm Mini Instant Film, a carrying case, and a unique quicksand beads photo album with 64 pockets to store your prints. The camera's design is compact yet playful, with a lilac purple finish that stands out. Performance-wise, it produces credit card-size prints that develop right before your eyes. The automatic exposure adjustment ensures decent photos in varying lighting conditions, although it doesn't allow for much manual control. The included accessories, like the stylish carrying case and photo album, make it a fantastic gift option for special occasions. While it's a little pricier than other options, the Mini 12 bundle offers a lot of value for the money. The pros include its vibrant design, beginner-friendly operation, and useful accessories, while the cons are its limited manual controls and higher price point. If you want a camera that's both fun and practical, this is a great choice. At number 2, we have the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 camera with Fujifilm Instant Mini Film Bundle. Priced at $164.95, this bundle is packed with features and accessories that make it a fantastic all-in-one solution for instant photography lovers. With 60 sheets of Fujifilm Mini Film included, you can start snapping photos right out of the box. The camera itself is sleek and compact, featuring automatic exposure control and a built-in flash for effortless shooting in various lighting conditions. The bundle also includes a travel camera case, a selfie lens, a photo album, and colorful stickers, making it a great choice for creative users. The Mini 11 is designed to be user-friendly, with a lightweight body and simple controls. The automatic exposure adjustment ensures bright and clear photos, even in low-light settings. The included selfie lens is an added bonus for those who love taking self-portraits. The accessories, such as the carrying case and photo album, add significant value to the bundle and make it an ideal gift for holidays, birthdays, or special occasions. The pros of the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 bundle include its ease of use, generous film supply, and versatile accessories. The cons are its reliance on AA batteries and slightly bulky size compared to other models. If you're looking for a feature-rich package with everything you need, this is a solid choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 Instant Camera Vintage Black Bundle. This premium option, priced at $198.95, is the ultimate choice for those who want a stylish and high-quality instant camera. The Mini 40 features a vintage-inspired design with a textured black finish that feels both elegant and durable. It includes auto exposure control, a built-in flash, and an optical image viewfinder, ensuring excellent results with minimal effort. The bundle comes with 40 sheets of Fujifilm Mini film, a vintage-style carrying case, and a black photo album with 64 pockets, making it a complete package for instant photography enthusiasts. The Mini 40 stands out for its premium build quality and sophisticated design. It's slightly heavier than other models, weighing 2.48 pounds, but it feels solid and well-made. The camera delivers consistently bright and clear photos, and the auto exposure adjustment works well in various lighting conditions. The accessories, particularly the vintage-style case and photo album, add a touch of luxury and practicality to the bundle. The pros of the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 include its stylish design, reliable performance, and high-quality accessories. The cons are its higher price point and heavier build. If you're looking for a camera that combines functionality with aesthetics, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description for more details.